3, 4 already, you see me? Yeah, so 4 of them guys. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 already. You see me? Okay, man, he said we come plant one coconut tree. And something said we and thing. I don't go up here so see what go on. And thing. See what I say. You see me? Alright guys. See them there, 2 mango tree. Up on going, see the other one there. Said we guys. You see me? Taking a go up and something. Now see me can do to look work and chop out and look past if I put it on so still. And something. You see me guys? So I try come pack up some money in the right test and try to clean it off your son. And things said we. So I planted one coconut. But right now so right now. And thing. Alright guys, so I just come plant a coconut yourself. And thing. So look how fire they kind of burn out. But then I burn out and something. Tomorrow I come up here, I just take them one here and pack it around them tree there. You see me? Take time clear it up and things said we. And thing. You see me guys? See look there.